I just walked the whole hotel because, well, each floor, because I needed to know exactly what was in the other machines. So I have machines on the floors at this particular place, and that stuff up there, it don't sell because nobody know that it's up there. I'm probably gonna do like a whole little thing on hotels, but we'll see. This how much I pulled out of all of my machines, the ones that are active at the moment. I have 2 down right now that I gotta get fixed.